he said. Well guys, I hope y'all enjoyed that one. The car sounds freaking awesome. I like the way it sounds, and it sure does sing up in those upper RPMs. So yeah, it definitely was fun making this video for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. The car definitely feels slow off of nitrous now. Whenever I'm not using nitrous, the car definitely feels, you know, a lot of slow. So the car went, I think it was like 13.8 or something like that, 97 or 98 mile an hour in the quarter, which is surprising, versus the quarter mile pass of 12.6 at 114. So you guys can see the car's making power on nitrous. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this one, please drop a like down below and hit that subscribe button. We definitely got a lot more content coming your way, and I hope I helped you guys make the decision of, you know, the exhaust setup on your car. So we'll see you guys on the next one. It's your boy 4.6Chris. Peace out, man. Just because the tires are sticky.
Dreams I said I know it. In my dreams I said I know it. In my dreams I said I know that I can. So baby please don't let me blow it. Begging please don't let me blow it. You can't do this but I know that I can. Girl in my dreams I said I know it. In my dreams I said I know it. In my dreams I said I know that I can. So baby please don't let me blow it. Begging please don't let me blow it. You can't do this but I know that I can. You gotta do this from the heart. You won't do this, you won't start. I just gotta play the cards in my hand. In my dreams I said I know it. In my dreams I said I know it. So baby please don't let me go. Baby please don't let me go. You can't do this but I know that I can.
You're about to get
Girl, in my
baptized.
dreams I said